Hello viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet phone cover designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet phone cover is a handmade protective pouch or case made using crochet techniques. It is designed to fit a phone snugly while adding style, warmth, and a personal touch. These covers can be made with various crochet stitches, patterns, and embellishments like buttons, flowers, or lace to suit different styles, from vintage and farmhouse to modern and minimalist. Features of a crochet phone cover: protection helps prevent scratches, minor bump, and dust. Customizable, can be tailored to fit any font size, color preference, or design style. Material, usually made with cotton or acrylic yarn, for durability and softness. Closer options: some designs have button closer, drawstring, or flaps for added security. Decorative elements can include floral appliques, ruffles, granny squares, or textured stitches. Here are some useful tips for crocheting a beautiful and functional phone cover. First, choose the right yarn. Cotton yarn is best for durability and a snug fit. Acrylic yarn is softer and adds warmth, but may stretch over time. Wool blend yarn can add a cozy, rustic touch. Next, select the secure stitch patterns. Tight stitches like single crochet or half double crochet provide better protection. Textured stitches like waffle stitch or cable stitch add thickness and grip. Mesh or lacy patterns work well for decorative covers, but may need a fabric lining. Next, consider the closet type: button and loop. Easy to open and close, adds a vintage touch. Drawstring, adjustable and decorative. Flap closer, provides extra security. Zipper, keeps the phone fully enclosed and protected. Add extra features. Wrist strap, makes it easy to carry. Pocket, for holding cards, cash. Lining, sew a fabric lining inside for extra strength and protection. Personalize with decorations, embroidered details. Add a handmade monogram. Crochet flowers or leaves, perfect for a vintage or cottagecore look. Granny square designs, a classic and colorful option. Tassels or fringe, adds a boho touch. Adjust for phone size. Mature your phone before starting and add a little stretched allowance. If making a universal size, consider a slightly larger design with a drawstring closer. Use a slip stitch edge for a neat finish. After completing the main cover, add the raw or slip stitches around the edge or polished look. This also helps maintain the shape and prevents stressing. Reinforce the bottom for durability. Use single crochet or a tight stitch at the bottom to prevent wear and tear. You can also double the yarn for extra strength. Make a multi-purpose cover. Add a small pocket in the front for holding earphones, a charger cable, or a credit card. Crochet a small strap to hang it on a bag or wrist. Play with color combination. Use ombre effects, stripes, or color blocking for a unique look. Pastel tones gives us a basic or vintage farmhouse vibe. Earthy tones like beige, olive, or rust fit rustic or cottagecore styles. Try a tapestry crochet design. Create patterns like hearts, flowers, or geometric shapes using tapestry crochet. This technique uses multiple colors to create stunning designs. Make it touch screen friendly. If you prefer to keep your phone inside, crochet a match or open a stitch front so you can still see notifications. Another option is to leave a small opening at the bottom for charging. Use elastic for a stretchy fit. If you want a snug fit without buttons, sew a thin elastic band into the top edge. This helps keep the phone secure inside the cover. Waterproofing for extra protection. Line the inside with water-resistant fabric to protect against spills. Use beeswax or fabric protector spray to make the yarn more resistant to moisture. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!